Today I'll be showing you 4 pranayama practices that directly works on the digestive fire or the Jatara Agni, which is responsible for boosting metabolism, helping reduce bloating. It helps in nutrient absorption as well as to calm the gut-brain connection. So we'll begin this practice by either sitting on the mat, chair or bed. Just remember to keep your back straight and practice this in a room that is well ventilated and there's enough circulation of air. So bring your hands to rest on your abdomen. Take a deep inhalation as you exhale completely. Close your eyes. Every inhalation you're trying to sit taller. Every exhalation, just softening your body, letting go of any tension, stress, tightness. Shifting your awareness to the abdomen, just noticing the rise and fall of your belly beneath your palms. The next time you inhale, gently push your belly into your palm. And as you exhale, pull your navel back towards the spine. 2 more rounds like that. Inhale and exhale. Consciously contracting your abdomen, pulling it back towards your spine when you exhale. Last round. And completely exhale. Take another deep inhalation. Fully exhale through your nose. Drop your chin to your chest, palms come beneath your face and open your eyes with a few blinks. The first practice that we're going to be doing is Bhastrika Pranayama or bellows breath. This practice increases gastric secretion. It helps in absorbing nutrients and also increases appetite. So bring your palms directly in front of your shoulders. You can keep it slightly apart so that when you open your palms, your thumbs come in front of your shoulder. This also expands the chest. As you inhale, reach your hands up. As you exhale, you bring it down. So we're inhaling, exhale. What we're doing is forceful inhalation, forceful exhalation. Both of them is active. So we'll do 10 rounds together. Pause. Again 10 rounds. One more break and then 10 rounds. Stay here. Inhale as you exhale. Bring it down. We're breathing in, breathing out only through our nose. Let's begin 10 rounds together. Open your eyes with a few blinks. You may have different sensations in your throat. Feel a little dizzy. That means you're not taking the full air in, just shallow breathing. So try and inhale fully, exhale. Next round of 10. Just remember the other key important thing is not to tense your shoulders, not to tense your jaw. Keep a smile and automatically everything feels relaxed. Pause. Breathe in through both. Breathe out through both. If you have excess salivation, swallow. Last round. Drop down. Close your eyes. Just breathe in through both your nostrils. Breathe out through both. The next practice that we're going to be doing is Kapalbhati Pranayama. Like Bhastrika, this again is an energizing pranayama. You can choose to do both together, but there are certain contraindications. If you have some health conditions, you can't do Bhastrika. In certain conditions, you can't do Kapalbhati. If you have downloaded the free PDF, you will know for each pranayama practice what are the contraindications. So begin by sitting tall. Keep your back straight. Chin mudra in both your hands. Inhale, push your belly forward. Exhale, pull your navel back. We are only doing the exhalation. Inhalation happens automatically. So we are going to do 30 strokes. Take a break. 30. Once again, take a break. And then the last set of 30. Close your eyes. The focus is again on your abdominal region and not the chest moving up and down like it did in Bhastrika. Remember to keep your face calm, shoulders relaxed. We're going to start with 30 strokes now. Next set. Last set of 30 together. Stay here, just observing your breath. Noticing the rise and fall of your chest. Noticing the movement in your abdomen. Whenever you feel ready, open your eyes with a few blinks. The next two practices, that is Nadi Shuddhi and Bhramari Pranayama, is something which has the least contraindications, and you can do this practice every single day. We have done this all through our last 6 sessions. So we'll begin with Nadi Shuddhi. Adopt Chin Mudra in your left hand, Nasika Mudra in your right. The thumb opens and closes the right nostril. The ring finger opens and closes the left nostril. The pointer and middle finger rests either in the space between the eyebrows, or you can fold it into your palms. This is Nasika Mudra. Close your right nostril. Completely breathe out through your left. Today, we're going to breathe in through the left. We're going to pause. Breathe out through your right. Just going to keep it a little longer, about 6 counts. Then pause. Again, inhale, pause, and completely exhale. So what we're going to do is, we're going to add a pause in between every inhale and exhale. Close your right nostril, completely breathe out through your left. We'll begin the first round. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2. Exhale, right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, 2. Inhale, right, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2. Exhale, left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, 2. 4 more rounds like this. Inhale, left, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2. Exhale, right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, 2. Inhale, right, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2. Exhale, left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, left, count in your mind. Pause. Exhale, right. Pause. Inhale, right. Pause. Exhale, left. Pause. Inhale, left. Pause. Exhale, right. Pause. Inhale, right. Pause. Completely exhale through your left. Pause. Now I'm not going to be counting. I want you to completely on your own, just listening for the sounds of your breath. Whenever you feel ready, drop your hands down. Take a deep inhalation, fully exhale. Open your eyes with a few blinks. The last practice that we're going to be doing is Bhramari Pranayama, also called as the bee's breath. Here we're going to cover your ears and place our fingers at the bridge of our nose so that we can keep our eyes closed. Don't press your eyeballs and don't press your ears hard. This practice helps to stimulate the rest and digest response in the body, which is very important to maintain digestive health. So we'll begin. Bring your fingers to cover your ears, cover your eyes, press the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth, and we're going to chant the na sound, creating this buzzing sound. The only thing different that we're going to be doing today in the practice is once we breathe in, we're going to add a pause. And we're going to extend the ner sound, the humming sound, all through our exhalation. Try to make it really long. Inhale, pause, tip of the tongue to the roof of your mouth, and chant as you exhale. Round 2, breath in, pause. Now chant. Inhale, pause, chant as you exhale. Two more rounds on your own. Inhale. Drop your hands down, stay there, just surrounded by that silence. Observing those vibrations all through a body, in every cell. We'll end the session by chanting one round of Om. Take a deep inhalation, and as you exhale, just being surrounded by that sound of Om. Bring your hands in front of you. Open your palms, open your eyes with a few blinks. Thank you so much for joining me for day 7. We are almost at the end of a 9-day journey. To get the most benefit out of this practice, it's important for you to be consistent with it. So this can help you build a strong digestive system, better your digestive health. I'll see you tomorrow for day 8. Namaste.